Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add stickers onto your Telegram account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Telegram application on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account, go ahead and use your phone number and login code in order to access your account. Now, once you are logged in, you will be taken into your chat page from which you can open up any chat that you wish. Now, within the chat page, you will see the emoji icon at the left side of the message box. You can go ahead and tap on it and you will see the emojis, the GIF as well as the stickers option. Simply tap on stickers and now you will see the various different stickers that are available to download within the Telegram Messenger app. On the trending stickers section, you can tap on any sticker that you want to add and you will find the add button alongside various different stickers. Go ahead and tap on the add button alongside the stickers that you want and they will be immediately added to your account on Telegram. And now if you go back into the chat page, you will see that the stickers that you selected has been added onto your chat, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to add stickers to your chat on your Telegram account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.